Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is today's deadlift workout. I'm a little unwell and I'm on antibiotics. I'm on AZ500. It's a 3-day dose. This is day 2. So anyway, I didn't really know what to expect going into this workout. Last time I was on antibiotics, which was 6 months ago or so. My workouts went to shit, so I was expecting the worst. But that's not what happened. I'm on Eric Troy's maintenance mode cycle for my deadlifts. I just want to maintain my strength as my lower back heals. And I was able to hit my target weights. I wanted 485 for 3. That was the most important lift. So I got that set. It went fine. Rep 1 is always horrible. And then rep 2 is really, really fast. And then rep 3 is normal. So as predictable, everything happened as per plan. And the funny thing is, which I noticed during this workout, is that as I would set up for each set, as I would set up for the first rep, I would be in a state of confusion and I wouldn't really know what to expect. But then once I'd start pulling, everything would just, the flow was perfect. So the bar, on some of the sets, to me, when I was doing them, it felt like the bar was just floating up. And some sets were real grinders. For example, this first rep, 475 for 2, first rep, very, very slow. And while I was doing it, it felt extremely slow, but it didn't feel difficult, which is good. I felt very confident in doing it. I was like, it's going to be slow, but it's going to happen. It's not going to be a failure. So in that sense, performance didn't really wave at all. This is the exact same workout that I did 3 weeks ago. And that's what I wanted. I did not want to progress on this. I just wanted to maintain and be able to repeat last cycle's workout. So that's exactly what happened, and I'm very happy about that. This was a good workout. I think to progress on this, what I would like to do is this set number 5, 475 for 3. I would like to be able to pull 485 for 3. You know, that's the thing. Although I'm still strong on my maximal end strength with all this injury and everything, and there's no pain right now, thank God. Touch wood. But although I am this strong, my work capacity is actually not that good, not as good as I'd like it to be. I should be able to do 485 for 3 sets of 3, stuff like that. You know, stuff that I used to be able to do before that I am not able to do right now. So I want to work on that, and hopefully that will change over time. And that's why I did, for example, this 475 for 1 at the end it's just a single compared to 3 reps. However, I didn't want to merge it into 4 reps right now because I'm hoping that I can bump that up to 485 over the next few cycles. Alright, as I mentioned earlier, I don't think I did though. There's not going to be a back and bicep workout this week because I'm going to be traveling. So I've decided to divide all of my exercises on back and bicep day over these 3 workouts that I have this week. So this is seated cable rows, set number 3. After doing all this back work, this was very difficult, but I did manage to lock out my elbows and lock out my arms and make sure that each rep was full. And I tried to do them slow, the negative part of it. The positive part, this is the lightweight to me, so I pretty much flew up, and that's good. Lat pull downs were very, very difficult. I was out of time. The gym was shut. As you guys can see, this light is a little dimmer because the lights were officially closed, and I requested them to switch on the lights again, and I got 4 sets done. And each one of these sets was very, very difficult and burned the hell out of me. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. That's all for today. Thank you.